All right, y'all. So I'm just sitting here in the Starbucks parking lot and just felt like coming on and sharing this with you guys because, you know, I love sharing like drink tips and tricks and ways to save on Starbucks. So some of you may already know about this, but I feel it is my duty to share. So if you are a pumpkin spice lover and you are particularly interested in the pumpkin spice, like with the cold foam, here's what you need to do. This is the order. It's a Grande iced coffee, no ice. 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 2 pumps of cinnamon, sugar-free cinnamon Dolce, and pumpkin cold foam on top. $2.75. Now, here's where the savings comes in, because I did not order the cold brew. So you have to get it in the iced coffee form, which is fine for me because I don't necessarily always need a cold brew because it's really strong. So iced coffee is fine for me, especially when I don't add ice to it. So just order an iced coffee, no ice. They're gonna fill it up and they're gonna put the pumpkin cold foam on top. All the pumpkin cold foam is the cream that they use, and then they put 1 pump of pumpkin spice sauce. So that's why I don't get the pumpkin spice sauce in the actual drink, because it's in the foam. So if you order it like that, it will be $2.75. Now, this varies by location, because some locations may try to charge you for the foam. If that happens, I believe it's like $2.90 or something like that. It's still under $3. But guarantee you, if you go to your regular Starbucks and you have you know, a regular barista, they'll hook you up. So just my little tip for the day on this pumpkin spice season that is upon us. If you are a pumpkin spice lover, you get it. If you're not, it's okay. But I just felt like I needed to come on here and share that with you guys because it's so good. And I'm telling you, that pumpkin cold foam on top is a game changer. Like a game changer. So yeah, also don't know what the calories are on that. I don't know, but it's good. I'm still doing sugar-free syrups, so I'm not adding any like sugars in it. I'm not putting any sweeteners in it. I'm not adding any extra cream to it. I'm just letting the foam do its thing, and it's amazing. So if you guys try this, let me know in the comment section, and if I come up with any more little tips and tricks, I'll let you know. You know, anybody can share a drink order, customize a drink, make it whatever. My thing is customizing a drink to make it affordable, especially when you talk about Starbucks. Again, if you're somebody who goes daily, this matters. So that's what I always tell people. Sorry y'all, my arm is getting so tired. So I always tell people like don't be fooled by this fancy cup and think that I'm spending $5, because I never spend $5 on a Starbucks drink. The only time I get $5 drinks is when it's free, when it's on Starbucks. Other than that, I create my own thing. So that's kind of like what I like to share with you all. I like to share good drinks, but I also like to share good drinks that are within a good price range. And $3. I don't even know the last time I paid even $3 for a drink, because $2.40, $2.75, that's about what I'm paying for drinks at Starbucks, which is what you should be paying for coffee. And yeah, so just wanted to point that out, because I know, you know, there are lots of people who share drinks, but then you go and you order it and it's like, how much? So just know that if I'm sharing a drink with you all, if I share any drink, it's $2, $2.75, $2.90. I will never order a drink from Starbucks that is $5, $6, $7, $8. I just won't do it. So yeah, that is all I have for today. And I will catch you all later. Bye. All right, everyone. So for the second day in a row, I am eating shrimp. I did mention in my last video that this week I was just going to do mostly fish for the week, since I've been doing a lot of chicken. So I have my shrimp here. It's a ½ pound of white shrimp.
Let me see.
Yesterday I took the, see?
Is that hot sauce?
No, it's pepper, garlic, and salt.
Ew.
So yesterday I actually took the tails off, but I decided to leave them on today. Just being a little lazy. But this is so easy. So I'm just gonna saute this in a pan with some garlic and butter, and then I'm just gonna have a side of steamed broccoli, and that's it. That's gonna be my dinner. I had it yesterday. I didn't record it because I wanted to try it out first before I recorded it, and it was so good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pan going, and then I will come back and share the finished product with you guys. So I've already seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then I am going to add some minced garlic, and then squeeze some lemon juice on it, and then put it in the pan that is melting some butter. So I'm just melting some butter right now. Alright, so I got the shrimp going. This should take only a few minutes. And then it will be done. This is so easy, like takes no time to do. That's why I love making shrimp, because it's the easiest, like, healthy thing ever. And it tastes so good. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get these about another 5 minutes, and we'll be done. Smells so good. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit more lemon juice on it now that it's done. Alright, everyone, so this is the finished product, and I am getting ready to enjoy this. I still have some shrimp left, so I'm going to put that up and eat that tomorrow for dinner. But yeah, this is what I made for dinner tonight. I hope you all enjoyed. So this is everything that I picked up from the grocery store. So I got us some more cotton candy grapes, some more red grapes, because that's kind of like our favorite little snack, and healthy snack. I got some more of the yogurt that I like. I typically take these to work and have them for breakfast in the morning. I got Sefton his favorite yogurt that he likes to eat. He likes the s'mores, the chocolate chip, and the birthday cake. So I got him that. Also got him some of his favorite cheese for his lunches. Got some Greek yogurt, Greek ranch yogurt. Some more pumpkin spice creamer because, I mean, it's pumpkin spice season. Got Sefton some more of his pretzel goldfish because he's like really loving those right now. Also his favorite tortilla chips because we are going to make tacos, well, burritos tomorrow for Taco Tuesday. I'm going to have taco salad. Sefton's going to have burritos. I got me a thing of Skinny Pop popcorn. Got a thing of blueberries. You all right, Sefton? Oh my goodness. Got some baby carrots because Sefton likes to have those in his lunch. Got some butter. This is what we're having tomorrow for our taco / burrito Tuesday. So I got some Taco Bell seasoning because I really like this seasoning. It's really good. I got some mild cheddar cheese. It's okay, I'll get it. I got some shredded lettuce for my taco salad that I'm gonna make. I got a thing of ground turkey, and that's what we're gonna have tomorrow. And this is a dressing that I use for my taco salad, and I'll share that with you guys if you want. But yeah, so I'll make that tomorrow. I got Sefton some muffins. I got my protein bars that I like. Got another thing of cereal. I got Sefton some oranges, some organic banana. I got a thing of lettuce so I can make some turkey wraps. And I also will take this and cut it up and mix it with this lettuce in my salad. So I like to do that, just mix up some greens. Then I picked up a ½ pound of the maple honey turkey. Oh, it's not focusing. Okay. And I also picked up another thing of the maple honey turkey. This is the Boar's Head brand. Got a ½ pound of Swiss and a ½ pound of Colby Jack. Yes, Colby Jack, Swiss, and turkey. Got a thing of brown eggs. And I think that's it. That's everything that I picked up from the grocery store today. Like I said, this is kind of just like a replenish of the things that we kind of eat regularly, like fruit and yogurts and things like that. So really the only like meal type thing is this. I will make vegetables on the side for Sefton with that, with his burritos. And then this is kind of like my staple for lunches because I've really been enjoying that. And eggs, because I eat eggs in the morning for breakfast. And then Sefton likes his bananas and stuff. So yeah, this is pretty much what we grab on the weekly basis. All right, so today is Tuesday. I'm getting ready to fix some tacos. Well, I'm having taco salad and this guy is having burrito. So these are the vegetables that I get for Sefton. He loves mixed vegetables, so I always buy these for him. And I am going to get these in a pot. Yeah, but you can find these at Whole Foods. So I'll come back and show you guys how I make my taco salad. All right, got my shredded lettuce here in a bowl, and I have my leaf lettuce here. I just pulled off a few, and then I'm gonna cut this up, add it to this. All right, so now my lettuce is chopped up, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add it here. All right, so now that my lettuce is all mixed in, I'm gonna go ahead and add the ground turkey. All right, so ground turkey has been added. Now I am going to drizzle this over it. I hope I'm able to do this for you guys. Hold on, let me put this down. All right, and now I'm gonna add my salsa. All right, so salsa has been added. This is the salsa I use. Ranch has been added. Now I'm going to add my diced jalapenos. Now the last and final step is the cheese. And I added a lot of jalapenos because I like jalapenos. So just add cheese. And that is it. That is my basic taco salad that I make for Taco Tuesday. You can add tomatoes if you want to add tomatoes. You can add olives. Pretty much add whatever you want. But this is just how I like mine. So now I am getting ready to make Sefton's burrito, and then I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like. And he just likes cheese and meat in his tortilla wraps, burritos. That's it. So that's why I make veggies for him on the side. So yeah, but I'll be back and show you guys that in a minute. Alright, so here is Sefton's plate. My food's still back there. It's probably ice cold now. But anyway, I always like to make cute little faces out of his food when I can. I've shared this with you guys before. I'm not sure if it was on this channel or my old channel, but anyway, we call him Burrito Bob. Sefton looks forward to him. I also make faces on some of his sandwiches and burgers and things like that. But yeah, just have a burrito here. This is just tortilla, just one of the low carb tortillas that I like. Some tortilla chips, mixed vegetables, blueberries and strawberries. And yeah, this is our meal for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.